Welcome to Doba tutorial. Today we will show you how to select Doba products to sell in your stores. First, log into your retailer account. Then you will see Doba's homepage. On the top, you will see the current Doba promotions or campaigns. If you are interested in a certain event, just click the banner to view the products. You may also navigate products by these 6 groups on the top. New arrival, you will find products added by suppliers in the last 7 days. Top sellers, you will find, as the name suggests, the hot selling ones. High profit, you will find products with very high margins. Discounts, you will find some discounted products. Premium suppliers, you will find some high quality suppliers and their products. All products, you will find all the products listed by Doba suppliers. Scroll down, you may also find some featured products, including products from some of the 6 groups we just mentioned. If you find an interesting category, just click an image or the category name to view all the products. There are 2 ways to discover products. First, browse category by category. Such as pets, then cats, then cat beds and furniture. Now you will see all the products in this subcategory. If you want to find general pet supplies, just click on the first level category name, and you will see all the pet products. Second, enter a keyword to search among all the products. Before we fine-tune the search results, please click Save this search if you are really interested in this keyword. At the same time, you may enable the Get New Products Alert feature. You may find out more about this feature by clicking here. Now, let's see how to fine-tune the search results. By default, the search result is sorted by relevance. You may click here to sort the result manually by best sellers, inventory descending, price, low to high, price, high to low, most listed, most downloaded, or newest. On the left, you will find all the fine-tuning tools, which are called filters. You may apply filters to find the exact products you want. On the top, you may narrow your search by subcategories. Then, you will see these 6 filters: free shipping, new arrivals, prepaid label, on sale, UPC available, ASIN available. Some of them are easy to understand, and you may hover your mouse cursor over this symbol to learn more about the other filters. You may click the crosses to disable any filters at any time, or click Reset All to disable them all. Here, you may enter a supplier's name to view the products from this supplier only. You may define minimum inventory or a price range. You may want to find products that are restricted to sell on certain platforms. Here, you may select the warehouse location or the shipping destination. You may define order processing time or the usual shipping time. On every page of the search result, you will see up to 40 products. For each result, you will see the product picture, store name, product name, inventory, processing time, and price. Finally, after finding the products you want, you may add them to your inventory list, or download them. And you may also want to check the product details. We'll tell you about these in the following videos. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like this tutorial video, please subscribe for more.